Welcome back. Tribal Welfare Minister has announced to construct 10 sanskruti bhavans by November. Around 2 crores will be allocated for the construction. 280 posts of forest guards have been reserved for tribal community. Ramesh Tawalkar also handed over the forest land to Sakorda Panchayat in Savarde on Friday. 7,000 dwellers will get ownership of the land. Vacancies for LDC and peons in various departments will also be clubbed for a tribal quota.
पण आम्ही सांस्कृतिक भवन बांधपाक 2 कोटी दिवपाची आमी थारायल्या आनी ती योजना अप्रूव जाल्ली आसा आनी जवळजवळ पहिल्या लोटांक 10 सांस्कृतिक भवनां ती सादारणशी नोव्हेंबर पयलीं आमी सुरू जातली ताजे डिझायन बाकी हें सगळें कन्सर्नन अपॉयंट जाल्लो आसा GSIDC बांदता 280 हे ट्रायबल कम्युनिटीज आसतले आनी प्रत्यक्षांक सांगें केपें काणकोण सत्तरी ह्या भागान आसा अशा तरेचें एक मास लॉ हें म्हणटाले पळय भरती ती सुरू केली आसा ताजे फुडें वचून आमी ज्यो बॅकलॉग वॅकन्सी संदर्भांत LDC पोस्ट आसा की प्युनाची पोस्ट आसा ते बल्क काडपाक सोदता बल्क म्हणजे सादारणशे एक 200 की 300 अशें तरी काडल्या नंतर की हातूंत जो मेजर शेअर जो आसा की ट्रायबलाचो की तोय आमी ते घेवपाक सोदता एक जी गोष्ट आसा आतां उरली ते पॉलिटिकल रिजर्वेशन ते सोडूं जायत न्ही बाकीचे सगळ्यो गोष्टी जे 12 डिमांड आशिल्ले ते हळूहळू ते मार्गाक लागले आसा.
For more than 40 years, tribal community has been demanding ownership of land. 4,500 square meters have been allocated in the first phase, and within 4 months, 157 panchayats will be covered under the Forest Dwellers Act.
आमचे सरकार पयलीं जो आमी विशय आतां घेतलो तो कारण 40 वर्स लोक डिमांड करतले आपले जमनीचे मूलभूत अधिकार आमकां मेळचे म्हणून आज आमकां आनंद जाता की आमच्या सरकारान फुडल्या 1.5 म्हयन्याच्या कालखंडा भितर की प्रत्यक्ष ह्या सगळ्या गजाल गोष्टीचे एप्लिकेशन घेवन कमिटी फॉर्म करून ताजी इम्प्लिमेंटेशन सुरू जाल्लें आसा आनी हांव की आतां हांवें 4 म्हयने म्हणले पळय न्ही की 4 म्हयने म्हणल्या पासून एक फुडले सादारणशें 1 वर्सा भितर हो टोटल विशय हो आमचो सोंपतलो आनी उरचो ना.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent. Spokesperson of the Congress Alex Reginald Lawrence reiterated his demand to take action against the casinos who do not disclose details of their employees. He says that even after so many reminders, state as well as central government has failed to take action against the foreign nationals employed in the casinos. He also alleged that Labour Department has been kept in dark.
I have asked, I'm allowed only 15. Every day 15 I have put. Whatever quota I have been given, I have completed my quota. I brought it to the opposition leader that you please correct that thing, so don't make it 15 questions. And he has agreed with me that we will go to the speaker and the next time we will increase the number of questions. In the informations, they say foreigners information not available. Goan staff 24, non-Goan staff 24, Goans 58 in various casinos. Nepalese working in casino Rakesh Wadwas. The foreigners are in Zuri. There are 45 foreigners. We don't know whether these Nepalis are sympathizers of Mao Naxal group. What if such type of people are there in the state? Don't you feel that it is a security breach? There is a breach in security. What is the Home Department doing? Regarding the casinos, I have written to the Union Ministry that there are employees who are there. I have written just 3 months back. I have written letters. Now, most important is I am even going to raise it in the assembly. If I ask Labour Commissioner, they say that they don't have information, not available. If I ask Home Department, they say not available. Now I am going to ask Assembly also, we have been restricted. But why these informations are not given to the public?
Managing Director of Bajaj Auto Limited Rajiv Bajaj has taken a dig at Rahul Gandhi's controversial remarks on the tainted ordinance. Bajaj has sarcastically commented that in politics, you have an option of tearing apart and throwing away anything which you don't like. Rajiv Bajaj was addressing management students in an event at Donapal. Corporates do not seem happy with the UPA government affairs. Seminar for youth at NIO Donapal echoed the feelings of Indian industry. Managing Director of Bajaj Auto Limited Rajiv Bajaj, while addressing the management students on Friday, not only shared his experience in the business world, but also took a dig at Rahul without naming him.
If you want to fail 90% of the time and you still want to do well in life, you can join politics. If nothing else, if you don't like what you said yourself, you can always tear it up and throw it away.
Rajiv Bajaj also slammed Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. He said that PM does not speak and even react on important issues.
Because Mr. Chidambaram doesn't do his job, because the governor of the RBI doesn't do his job, because the Prime Minister apparently doesn't speak when he should.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar had challenged state NCP over the Cellular Comunidad land issue. Parulekar refuted the charges made by the NCP spokesperson Trujano. NCP had demanded his resignation, alleging misuse of government machinery by Parulekar. Minister stated that plot had been converted as per the direction of JMFC court. Minister confirmed that the procedure of the said conversion began before he was elected as a MLA or minister.
ह्या जमिनी खातीर हांव सातत्यान मागीर थंय सकयले कोर्ट आसूं, डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायत आसूं, डेप्युटी कलेक्टर आसूं, JMFC आसूं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ट्रिब्युनल आसूं किंवा हायकोर्ट आसूं, ह्या सगळ्या कोर्टांनी भोंवत हांवें म्हाजो प्रोसिजर आनी तें म्हाका कित्या खातीर दिवचें ह्या एकाच विशयाचेर ह्या सगळ्या कोर्टा कडेन हांवें दाद मागून निमाणें ही केस वयल्यान सकयल मार्क केल्या नंतर आपल्या JMFC कडेन गेली आनी JMFCन तांकां डायरेक्ट केले आमचे कोमडी दादीक की जर तुमी जर जो पिटिशनर म्हणजे हांव जर हांवें पयशे तांकां फारीक केल्या जाल्यार ते म्हाज्या नांवार करचें. हो प्रोसिजर हांवें MLA आसतना किंवा मिनिस्टर आसतना करूंक ना. हो प्रोसिजर हांवें केन्ना तरी 20 वर्सां पयलीं स्टार्ट केल्लो आनी तेज्या प्रमाणे म्हाका कोर्टान म्हाका तेजो न्याय दिल्लो आसा आनी कोर्टाचेर म्हाजो पूर्ण भरोसो आसा. जर कोणाक कोर्टाचेर भरोसो ना जाल्यार तांकां जें कितें हें आसा दिसता तेंच्यांनी तें करचें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.